Hello, weather update today. Today is Easter Sunday, 2023. My name is Bristol, Connecticut Storm Chaser Kevin Bergeron from Ability Beyond in Bristol, Connecticut. This is how I feel about what has happened over the past couple of months for down south and the Midwest. And yes, it's because of global warming and climate change. And I wanted to read a little article that I wrote about how I feel about this stuff happening. Many of you across the United States have recently been devastated by extremely significant flooding, strong, violent tornadoes, very strong damaging winds, and hailstorms, and also wildfires. I know people across the Deep South and in the Midwest and in the Plains due to these climate change and global warming weather events had your lives change, and lots of people have lost almost everything. That's why I send my thoughts and prayers to everyone affected by these terrible disasters in places like Iowa, Illinois, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Arkansas, Georgia, Kentucky, Texas, Delaware, Missouri. I feel the sadness that everyone in these affected areas is going through at this time. We are all in this together. And I know people have lost loved ones. Please stay strong. I mourn with you. I stand with you. I support all of you. I am here for you. Buildings can be replaced, lives cannot. And next article on here. Nobody wants to experience any type of destructive weather at all. Please pray for everyone that is going through these terrible events. Also, everyone, please do not wish for destructive severe weather, including violent and strong tornadoes and wildfires, because these type of weather disasters, all it does is it ruins and changes people's lives for the worst. And in my opinion, this is a little off topic, but I am tired of hearing people wanting to have strong tornadoes throughout the years just because they want to end the 13-year or 10-year plus streak of not having an EF5 tornado. And that's just terrible because all these bad weather events are ending lives, and nothing will be the same for these people affected by these terrible and just sad events that are happening across the globe. And I leave you with this word right here. Illinois strong. Iowa strong. Kyoto strong. Mississippi strong. Rolling Fork strong. Alabama strong. Tennessee strong. Covington strong. Arkansas strong. Little Rock strong. Wayne, Arkansas strong. Georgia strong. West Point strong. Kentucky strong. Mayfield strong. Texas strong. Delaware strong. And Missouri strong. Everyone, please continue to pray and keep everyone affected by these terrible severe weather events in your thoughts and prayers. And remember, we are all in this together. We will get through it together. And it's sad that severe weather season only has just begun. I wish every year there was no severe weather season, because then nobody would lose their lives or houses or belongings. And that's my weather report for Easter Sunday of 2023. Thanks for watching.